Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. This is me Misbah Ghulam Abbas and you are watching Mishi the World of Craft. Today, as you can see, we are going to learn this amigurumi strawberries. You can use it as a keychain, you can use it as your decor product, or you can use it as anything you like. So let's get started without wasting any time. So for this you will be needing a red color yarn. For the seeds you will be needing brown, and for the top part we will be using the green color polyester for filling, and I'm over here using 2 mm hook and a tapestry needle and a scissor. So let's get started without wasting any time. Grab your red color yarn and start with a magic ring. So for the magic ring we are going to turn on our middle finger like this and hold the yarn like this and grab a loop, chain 1, and now we are going to work in this ring that we have formed. So starting we are going to make 6 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Once you have made 6 single crochet, we are going to pull this so that our ring closes and the circle becomes smaller. Now remember, we have to work in spiral form, so we are not going to join the circles, we are not going to join the rounds, we are going to work in the spirals. So for that we will be needing excuse me, we will be needing a stitch marker. So let me make a single crochet into the very first single crochet, and we have to mark this. So for that we are going to use a stitch marker or any sort of yarn you can use as a marking. Okay, so we have made this first, so we can remember that this is our first single crochet. Now into the second single crochet make 1 single crochet, onto the third single crochet, fourth, fifth and sixth. Once we have made 6 single crochets, now we are going to start our third round, and in the third round we will make, so this is our first stitch. So remember to put your stitch marker like this so that we can get notified that this is our first stitch of the second round. So in this round 3 we are going to make 2 single crochet in each of the stitch. So we will get total 12 single crochets. 2 single crochet in this, 2 single crochet in this one, 2 single crochet into the next. In this way, on the 6 single crochets we are going to make 12 single crochets, means 2 single crochets in each of the stitch. And now our third round is complete. Remember, this marking helps us this marking helps us that this stitch is our first stitch of round. So now we have 12 single crochets, and now we are moving on to the round 4. In round 4 we are going to make 1 single crochet in each of the stitch. So remember to put your stitch marker like this and insert your hook into the first and make 12 single crochets. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and this is the 12th one. Okay, so once you have made 12 single crochets, Now we are going to start round 5, and in that round we are going to increase in the manner that in the first stitch we are going to make a single crochet. Again, remember, you have to put your stitch marker like this and make a single crochet over here. Into the first stitch we are going to make a single crochet, and now into the next we are going to make 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet, and into the next 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. 1 and into the next 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 2 single crochets. So now in total we have, after this 5th round, we have 18 single crochets. Moving on to the 6th round, that will also be our round of increase, in which we are going to make, again we are going to put our stitch marker like this and make a single crochet into the first, single crochet into the second, and we are going to now increase. It means into the third single crochet we are going to make 2 single crochets. Okay, so see this, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and into the next one we did 2 single crochet, and that is the increase. Again 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochets. 1 1 and in this one 2 single crochets. 1 1 and in this one we are going to make 2 single crochets. So at the end of round 6 we will have total of 24 single crochets. This is my last increase of round 6, and at this point we are having total 24 single crochets. Now what we have to do, we don't have to increase, we just have to make 12 single crochets in all the round till our like 24 stitches. We have to make 4 more rounds of 24 stitches. 7 8 9 and 10. Yes, 4 more rounds of 24 stitches, like means we don't have to increase. But remember, you have to put your stitch marker so that we can get to know that where we started our round. So this is where I started my round. So 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 3 and 24. So in total we get 24 single crochets, and now we have to make 3 more rounds of 24 single crochets. So as you all can see, our strawberry is taking its shape, and we have made 4 more rounds of 24 single crochets, and now it's time to decrease so that our strawberry is getting its perfect shape. So starting from the first single crochet, we are going to make 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet, means 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and now it's time to decrease. So for decreasing the stitches, you have to insert your hook into the stitch, pull through, now into the next stitch. So we have total 3 loops on our hook, and we are going to pull through all the 3 loops together. This is how we make the increase. Again, single crochet into next 2 stitches, and now a stitch of decrease. Again single crochet, 2 single crochets into the next, and now a decrease. Okay, so continue in this way, single crochet, and decrease, single crochet and decrease, again single crochet, and this is the last increase. So at the end of this round we will have 18 stitches in total. Okay, now moving on to the next round, another round of decrease, and in this we are going to make a single crochet, and into the next we are going to make a decrease, again a single crochet and a decrease, single crochet and a decrease, single crochet, decrease, single crochet and decrease, single crochet and decrease. So at the end of this round we will have total 12 single crochets. Okay, now this is it's the time to fill our strawberry. So take the polyester, start filling it. Once you feel that this is enough, you can stop filling, and now we are going to make our last round, and in this last round we will make decreases. So start making decrease. So this is our first stitch. We did our first decrease, second decrease, third decrease, fourth decrease, try to make your stitches tighter as you can, and now this is the last decrease, that is the sixth decrease, and we have in total 6 stitches. At this point cut the yarn and pull this stitch marker as well, and also pull this yarn, and the base of our strawberry is ready. So now quickly we are going to grab the green yarn and make 4 chains. One, two, three, 4. Make a ring. Now into this ring we are going to make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are not going to join our work. We are simply going to make 1 single crochet, and into the next this is our first single crochet, and into the next we are going to make 2 single crochets. So this will be increase, and at the end of this round we will have total 9 single crochets. 7, 8 and 9. After this we are going to make another line of increase, that is 1 single crochet in 2 next single crochets, and now into the third one we are going to increase 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and increase. Total 3 times. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet and increase. So our sample looks something like this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make the leaves, the small leaves. For that, a single crochet, chain 5, a single crochet into the same stitch. Again 2 single crochets. Now chain 6 and a single crochet, or you can also make a slip stitch into the next. Again 2 single crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 chains, a slip stitch, again 2 single crochets, chain 6 3 4 5 and 6, and then a slip stitch, again 2 single crochets, chain 5, or you can make chain 4 and a slip stitch. Total we will have 6 small leaf type, or something you can say loops type. Now we are going to leave a long tail so that we can attach this one to our strawberry. So now look at this, we have this top part and we have the strawberries bottom part. So I have put the thread into the needle, and now into the center over here we are going to attach it like this. There are no particular rules how to attach, you just have to sew this in between the stitches like this. Now for the sapple or the leaf part, what I do is I put the needle through one of my the chain and then grab it like this, and see it is attached. In this way, do it with all rest of the 5 leaves and join me back once you have joined all the leaves. If you want, you can also make a loop like this, or you can also make the chains like this that I have made in these strawberries. So I am going to make a loop. For that, what you have to do is simply take your yarn and make as much big as loop as you want. Simply bring it back to your finger and put it like this. So this is our loop ready, and to fix this loop we are going to make few stitches so it fixes and it doesn't come out. So this is it, our loop is ready as you can see, and we have to cut this extra yarn. And for the seeds you have to do the same thing. Attach a brown color to your work, and you can start from anywhere you like. Just simply put it like this and start making the seeds. You can also make the white seeds, or you can also make the yellow. It's your choice. In this way we are going to make the So once you have completed, it looks something like this, and these are the rest of the one which I have already made. So I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button, and also please tap the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful blessed day. Bye. Allah Hafiz.